Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's time for your morning makeover. Gonna throw a braid in my hair real quick while I wait for you guys to come on. So, another day, another dollar. Just trying to get through till Saturday. Then I'll have a couple of days off. It's gonna be great. Preparing for the holidays. How's everybody holiday shopping going? Mine is going obsolete because I haven't done anything yet. Hi Jenny, thanks for watching. I'm like the worst holiday planner. I'm not one at the last minute in the store. Hey Amy, what's going on? Tell me if my braid is coming out good. Can't see it from here. Trying to get ready for work. So, how's it look? How's it look, guys? Hi, Andrea. Adrian. Am I saying your name right? Hi, Sean. Thanks for watching. So, I'm getting ready for work and just following up on what we were discussing. Got a lot of feedback, positive feedback, but it's true. A lot of people inboxed me and said that they really needed to hear that, what we talked about yesterday with the holidays and just doing enough. But today I just kind of wanted to see who's out there that hasn't gotten started yet, like me. That way I could feel better about myself. Because I have not gotten started. But I really don't have, like, my mom, a couple people, my nieces. I don't do my nieces anymore. They too big. I do their kids. Because now they have children. So that's what I've been doing. Getting their kids stuff. Should I do this too? Let's see. What's this look like? Ugh. Anyway, so that's what's going on with me. Just trying to get through this week. It does. It looks good. Thanks, E. I think I'm just going to leave this bangy bang out like that so I don't feel so bald-headed naked. My hair is needs to be washed and done. But I'll do that after Saturday when I have the time. Yes, it will look beautiful. I think I'm just going to braid this and let this kind of just be natural like that, messy. And then pin it up. Hey! Hi, Carmen. Hi, Jason. Thanks for watching. So we're going to jump on makeup because, of course, I got to get out of here. I say that every day. Somebody said that to me today. You say that every day, like you're always rushing. My life is like that. It's just who I am. Always been a rusher. I'm just really tired, and I'm winning the battle with this cold or whatever it is that's happening. I take these little pins like this, and I just pin this somehow so that it just kind of stays right there. Does it look messy? I was going for like a messy braided bun. Let's see. Let's kind of fix this a little bit. That's good enough. That's what's happening for today. It's cool. I'll play with it later. How's it look? Cool? Good. All right, so what's going on with you guys? What are you guys doing for the holidays? I already did my skincare. Skincare is done. So I'm jumping right to foundation and eyebrows. I'm working, I already said that, on Christmas Day. But then I'm off for the next 2 days after Christmas Day. So that's going to be nice and relaxing. Hi! How's it look, Amy? Good? thanks. Thanks for looking out for me, Aim. Guys, I'm using this in the mix palette again because I'm a little bit obsessed with it right now. It's funny, I've had it for so long and I never really kind of played with it because I thought it was like just for smoky eyes and stuff like that, but it's not. Right now I'm using it to fill in my eyebrows. I'm filling in my eyebrows with this middle color. Do you have golds? Gold? What do you mean by gold? You mean like gold palette, like eyeshadow palettes? Because yeah, we have a beautiful one called Gold Digger. I think I have it. Hold on. If we're talking, Amy, if we're talking about palettes, I have this one. It's called Gold Digger. And it's all, oh no, this ain't it. But this has some gold in it too. But we have another one that is all like tones. Which one is that? I have them in my studio, so I'll look at it and I'll let you know. I'll look at it and let you know. This one has golds in it, but the one in my studio, I think there's 4 of them, so I just have to look at them. And I will get back to you on that, babe. So I'm going to my handy dandy. This is my everyday palette that I go to. Remember I told you I broke it, so it's messy. But the shadows are still nice, so there's no need for me to throw it away just because I broke the top off. I dropped it really bad. So anywho, what else are you guys into? Amy, what are you doing for the holidays? I am like at a loss for words today because, so I hope you guys learn a little something. This is, first I put the cream on, then I put this little taupe color. I forget the name, hold on. Native. I use it every day, you would think I remember that. Put a little native in the crease. Remember, my goal is just to teach you that you could do this super fast and easy. It's not like, you know, there's a misconception out there that, you know, just because if you're watching YouTubers and stuff like that, they take a very long time. Or they do it, they edit it, and then they go back to it. I want to show you guys something. Hold on. Stand back. Oh, it's all the way over there. Hold on. I think it's this one. It's pretty cool. We have these liquids. This one is called Renegade. We have these are working. Yeah, me too, Aim. These are liquid shadows, and this one, because I have on this army green, I wanted to try it on today. So I'm just gonna put it down in here. Oh yeah, it's pretty. So you know what that means? If my lids are dark, that means that I'm gonna wear a nude lip. Okay, so we gotta let it dry and then we're gonna blend it out. I know it looks crazy right now, but I promise you it's pretty. It's like an army green. And you could put shadows on top, which is nice because it grabs them. So you just gotta let it dry a little bit. Ooh, I should have told my husband to put the teapot on for that. All right, so let that dry a second and then we're gonna blend it out. Show you how. This one's pretty cool. It comes in different colors like blues, purples, and stuff like that, but this one in particular is called Mystique. I love this one. All right, so then you take a little blending brush. Let's see, did it dry? A little. Maybe I'll take this blending brush just to blend out the crease, soften it. That's why they call it eye shadow. It's supposed to look like, see how I blended it out? supposed to look like a shadow. And you can take that same native, boop, and kind of buff it out. There we go. How pretty. I'm going to try on a couple of them for you this week because they're really cool. So getting back to what we're doing on the holidays, I got such a good response about yesterday's talk and mindset about being enough. I thought that was awesome. Appreciate the support. And I also feel good because that means that, you know, we could talk about topics that that are relevant, you know, that are important to you. So I was gonna do like a little questionnaire and see what topics you guys want to talk about or anything that you want to learn with regards to makeup or anything else, really. I'm going to take this gray right here and I'm just smudge out the bottom of my eye. Oh, did I just poke myself? Because I was trying to read. And now my eye's kind of smoked out. So that means, hold on guys, I can't do this while I talk. So that means that I will be putting my mascara on in the car, right? Yep, I'm just gonna leave it just like that. I'm not even gonna do the liner or nothing like that because it's dark enough. Cool. Here it comes. There. Okay. So let's jump right to foundation and we're out of here. Hi, Sherry. Sherry, how you doing? Yvette, what are you doing up so early, Yvette? Yeah, because if it's 9 here, it is 6 o'clock in the morning in LA, in San Diego. What are you doing up so early? How are the kids? They're ready for Christmas, I'm sure. Oh, that's the one thing I miss about, you know, when you get older, your kids get big. It's just not the same. I guess when you have grandkids, it'll get better, but I don't have any. Oh, I saw a post yesterday. How many of you have made it to 40 without being a grandparent? Me. And as a matter of fact, it was a couple of people that was on there that said me. I was like, wow, that's good. I don't feel like I'm in the by myself. There you go. I need that foundation. I make this foundation. Oh, I'm making a mess. Hold on, sorry. I can make it for you. I just made one for my girlfriend the other day. She loved it. All right, so now I'm going right to powder. Because I got to go. Sending Art off to school. Oh, that's right. Yeah, he's in high school. He's got to get out the house way earlier than everybody else. Art, have a great day, Papi. Titi loves you. Oh my goodness, he's getting so big. He looked like a little man. I saw him. There we go. Yeah, Amy, I can totally make this foundation for you. All right, that's that. We're going to go to our ginger blush because, you know, kind of like an orange warm. Let's find her. I think she's right here. Yep. Boop. So eyes are kind of smoky, like a army green. Now we're going to go to this ginger and we are out of here. I keep saying that. It makes me feel better. And I am out of here. Oh, I think I put too much. Sorry. And I'm out of here, guys. So anyway, if you want any holiday ideas for anybody on your list, let me know. I've been getting inbox. People have been really hitting me up, sending me pictures of their skin so I can match them, whether I make the foundation custom or we do one of the prepackaged. Have a great day, Steve. Thank you. So right now I'm just doing my little contour. I don't know if it works. I always say this every day. I don't know if this works, but it makes me feel skinny. So this is what I do every day. All right, there's your contour. Minimize the forehead a little bit. Have yourself a fantastic day. Thank you, Susan. You too. And that's it. This is it. We're going to go right to the lippy. Thanks. A little bit of highlight on the nose, on the cheek.
Okay.
On the cheek.
Okay.
Babe, I can hear you, hun bun. Are you trying to get, I think he's trying to get my attention.
Okay.
He's on the phone. All right, so that's that. Highlight. Am I highlighted? All right, let's do a nudie. And we gotta go. Which one was the nude? I don't remember. I think it was this one. Oh, good. They call back? Oh, good. All right. I don't really want Dusty Rose. Dusty Rose. Hold on. That's not the one I want. That's the Blushing Bride one. This one is called... I'm almost done, babe. But I can't find my little... Sorry, guys. Hold on. Maybe it's in here. No, this is the red one. Maybe it's in here. No, this is the pink one. Darn. Alright, so we're going to have to go to this one. We have no choice. I don't know what I did with any of this stuff. Oops, sorry. Oh, here we go. Here it is. Hi, Laverne. Sorry, guys. I couldn't find it. It's my favorite. It's biscotti. So whenever I wear a dark shadow, I'll wear a nudie lip. There you go. All right, so sorry it was so rush, but isn't it always? You guys are used to it, right? So I want you guys to have a fabulous day. Don't forget to make over your mind, body, and soul every day so you can continue to grow and be happy on purpose. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Whoa.